So please look at this piece of pizza. Sauce, cheese, and crust. Just like any other piece, I bet your mouth is watering. But what if I tell you this pizza was not made by a chef? It's made by a machine. Every single layer was 3D printed. Would you still want to take that bite? The idea of 3D printing food have actually existed since 2006, created by Professor Hod Lipson in Cornell University. By using digital designs and food-grade materials like purees, doughs, and proteins as inks, they draw layers and create an edible 3D model. Even though this topic is still highly controversial, and people might not agree with the machines preparing their food, I still believe that this idea can solve our modern problems and improve our future sustainability. First of all, it have already shown great potential, with humans decreasing their time on preparing food and increasing their time on labor and leisure. The use of a 3D food printer will be rapidly developed. With one button, the machine will start preparing food, and you can enjoy your food and use that valuable time for other important things. But on the other hand, this fantastic idea has been rejected to a fraction of our population, mostly due to the following disadvantages. 3D printers are difficult to clean, including several vital parts of it, like the nozzles and the tubes that prints the food. The small spaces inside the tubes are believed to promote bacterial growth, and it will take a long time to clean it up, creating health risks while eating 3D printed food. Also, the layer-by-layer design challenges the traditional food's texture and appearance. Flavors may not be so appealing since 3D food printers will alter food ingredients interactions. But as advancements have been made by 3D food printing technology and printer designs continue, in the future, printers will start to print safer and more delicious meals efficiently. Despite these concerns, 3D food printers have the potential to revolutionize the sustainability in the food industry. One of the biggest problems in the food industry must be reducing our food waste, a problem that 3D food printing can help adjust. Traditional food often leads to an abundance of waste and an uneven distribution of food. But with 3D printers, printers will print a specific amount of food with a specific amount of calories, also benefiting people that cares about fitness. Additionally, 3D food printers offers eco-friendly solutions, like using lab-grown meat or vegan patties in their printed meals. We can help the environment to be more sustainable by providing these options for our vegans and vegetarian friends. Yeah. Well, beyond sustainability and convenience, 3D food printing can impact our global food culture and economies. Imagine chefs using 3D food printers to do artistic dishes that were impossible by hand, or communities using 3D food printers to have nutritious and delicious food when they don't have fresh food supplies. When astronauts go on long missions, they won't be needing to eat pre-packaged meals. Instead, they would have fresh cooked meals cooked by these machines. Also, labor costs would be lower for restaurants as more careers and jobs would be created about food technology and 3D printing. 3D food printing success relies on innovation and acceptance. First, we would need to have more innovative ideas to make the machines more easy to clean and of course faster. The government and food organizations must set up rules to ensure the food safety. And the most important of all, perhaps, is that consumers would need to be willing to adapt. Just like how microwaves and frozen meals were once met with hesitation, 3D food printing may just one day become a normal part of our diet. So, would you take a bite of that pizza? It might not be just like any piece of pizza, but it may be the start of something sustainable and revolutionary. Thank you.